Okay, welcome back. My name is Sukum, and day 4, we're still working on the project and working with Claude right now to help expedite support, however you wish. Essentially, I have an idea of what I want to do with the project, anyways, but I want to bring and work with AI to see if what I'm doing will help with the next project. So a lot of trial and error and testing, and I'm also doing something with the video as well too. My goal is in each video I'm gonna do one thing different, test something out. Like right now I'm blurring my background. I got emojis, I believe, to work. Fantastic. It's the little things, right? So I'm just starting it off, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, so last video I talked about using Claude to create somewhat of an 8-week game plan. And each week we're looking at something different. Week 1, they talked about creating some kind of thermometer. And that is something I want to share with the team. Okay. So I'm going to go back to Claude. I'm going to ask him, great idea. Let's build on that thermometer. And what's the best way to maximize that, to utilize that thermometer to continue to share the data with the team? Because currently, right now, the plan is to update the team weekly. And I don't know if that's going to be that impactful. And I might be playing too much into this, but it's just for fun. It's what engagement is. And I want to keep encouraging people to utilize this. I also want to share a note that I actually use Claude code to re-edit my last video. So it asks to use iMovie, or one of the recommendation was iMovie, but it was pretty bad. Like, it didn't do any cuts. It didn't do any major edit. All it did was put it into iMovie and stick some ambient sound in the beginning, and literally that is it. So more to work to come, but I love for one day in the future that the AI is smart enough after all the training is done to do all the proper edits that we need for the videos. And right now, my videos are pretty low budget, anyways. I'm just changing one thing and not really doing a lot to that. So, okay, right now, I asked Claude, okay, let's work on week 1. Let's build that thermometer. I shared that it's a QR code from Microsoft Forms, and when someone fills out a QR code, it tallies up. This is the response they got. Essentially, what I'm looking for is what's the best way to automate this and how to show progression in the thermometer that it's going to grow. Do I have to do it manually? If I do, then not sure if this is the best approach. But if there's some kind of way without too much coding or a lot of backlog stuff, then that's a different story. But we'll see what it can offer. Right now, it's thinking. It says to build the thermometer, we're using the design skills to keep it clean and on brand. Um, do I have to update it manually? Short answer, yes. That's not ideal, but let's see where it goes. A visual versus just saying a number is still better than nothing. So hopefully by the end of the week here, Saturday is when I usually update the team on where the progression is. I might do like a midweek Thursday check-in, pulse check with the team, and show them this is what's going on. Heck, tomorrow's Wednesday. I could probably do this then too. Okay. All right. More to come on it, but that's the progress right now. Again, one thing at a time, and that's the goal of this. I know in the first set of videos that I'll be doing, this next 30 to 60 and 90 videos, it's the learning phase, right? I want to get used to looking at the camera, get used to the edits, the slight adjustments, and I want to do as least as possible to get the most impact as possible. That's the thought process. All right. Ooh. All right. It did show me like a little thermometer, fuel the fire. Every time a leader uses a development tool in a touch base and scans a QR survey, our fire climbs. help us reach the goal. That's actually pretty enticing. And it literally has a diagram of a thermometer, and it shows the goal is like 100 logged surveys. Um, and the stage right now is not lit yet. That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure a way to how do I show my screen while still recording and showing the things that I'm doing with Claude. That's probably one of the next things I'll be doing in the near future. Okay. All right. Short and sweet. Thanks for watching, and I will update on the next video. Thank you.